Hello everyone. Do you wanna start day trading future but you don't know where to start or how to start? In this video, I'm gonna share everything step by step in a simplest way. If you are a beginner or you have little bit experience, you can join our Telegram community or you can open demo account in LBank. We will guide you each and everything. This video is educational purpose only. It's not a financial advice. So first of all, you have to know what are the futures. Futures are sell and buy later at a fixed price. But you for learning or for doing trade, you have to follow some steps. So I will guide you everything in this video. So let's start. So in future trading, you can trade gold, Nasdaq, Bitcoin, Ethereum, token, whatever you want. So there is no problem. So first you have to follow the leverage. So what is leverage? So I will show you right now on the screen. So how you can modify the leverage, how you can increase and decrease the leverage based on your risk management. So there is have two types of leverage. One is the cross mode and one is the isolated mode. So what is isolated mode and what is cross mode? You can contact with me personally. So you can join our Telegram community, then I can teach you. So just I am showing so how to you can use and how to modify it in this system. So this is LBank, this is our platform, the cross mode and isolated mode. So you can confirm it which one you want to use. Then after that we can transfer it to so how you can change the leverage. So leverage you can change is 25, 50%, 100%, 200%, whatever you want. So long, what is the long? Long means if you want to buy, so this is called the long, and if you want to sell, so this is the sell. So if you want to change the long and short, so you can change, or if you want to keep in the same leverage, so just you click on this here, so like this 80%, 80%, and confirm the leverage. So that's it. So after that, move into the buying and selling opportunity. So if you want to trade properly, first you have to find the real broker. So how you can find the real brokerage company? So this is the LBank. This is the world biggest crypto exchange company, safe and regulated, low fees, and easily you can operate in mobile. You can install the application from iOS and Android. You will get support 24 hours, 7 days, and also you can open a demo account. Now I want to show how you can identify the zone and how you can do analyze in this market. So I can open trading view, but in our platform you can see already I have opened here. So this is technical analysis. If you are beginner, maybe you are not able to understand what I am showing, but who are the regular trader, so they knows very well what is this. So let me show you. This is the candle and I have drawn, this is the price action, the price action support and resistance zone I have drawn. So now I am waiting for the confirmation. So how can I get the confirmation? So confirmation means we have to wait. It's not, it will come quickly, suddenly it will come. We have to wait for the perfect confirmation. So this is the candlestick chart pattern. I am trying to draw, this is the chart pattern is forming, but still we have to wait for the breakout. Otherwise not possible to understand. So I draw here the resistance. So another I can show you, this is the support level, right? So that means the market is consolidating in this zone. So we cannot trade. Yes, if you want to sell, so little bit risky here, so you can sell here and you have to put stop loss here, but there is no good confirmation. So at least you need the candle confirmation, then you can open the trade. So okay, now second part is like how you can identify the zone and how you can find the stop loss entry and exit point. This is the best point. So okay, let me show you right now. So this is our analysis. We get the confirmation, we're gonna sell here. So now I can put the stop loss here. So how many pips stop loss? If I open one lot example, so I will lose the $750, but my take profit is if here, so then 1:2, so that means $1,500 is here. So if my risk and reward ratio 1:5, so it will go more, so 1,700, so 1:3. You can see here 1:3. So this is the stop loss and this is the take profit area. If you wanna start your future trading journey, here's the simple roadmap. Learn the basic, build your plan, and stay patient. If you are a beginner, you can join our Telegram community. We'll guide you step by step. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna drop more beginner-friendly trading videos. See you next time.